The name Regulator says it all. Regulate your sweat and heat with the men's R1 Pullover. This technical fleece is warm, breathable, and ideal for stop-start activities in cool conditions. Stretchy Polartec Power Grid fabric regulates your body temperature by trapping warmth, wicking moisture, and venting heat. Capilene thermal weight base layer side panels boost breathability and reduce bulk under arms and on the forearms, where layering can restrict movement. Offset shoulder seams sit comfortably under pack straps. The center front half zip has a soft zipper garage at the chin for next-to-skin comfort. The zippered chest pocket is perfect for lip balm or a snack, and features an air-permeable mesh pocket bag to maintain breathability. The versatile men's R1 Pullover is a classic among mountain communities for a reason. It's the heart of your layering system, providing packable, breathable warmth and exceptional mobility for any cool weather objective.